Morning Rail fans, Saturday morning, June 8th. I am camped outside of Butler Yard this morning, and I don't know if you know, there is a brand new webcam in Butler Yard. It's brought to you by the Tavern League of Rail Fans. It's the same organization that has the webcam in Oconomowoc on the CP. And I am super excited about this webcam because rail fanning Butler Yard is a bit difficult. There aren't any really good places to park near the yard so you can see the trains, at least no legal places to park where you don't get in trouble. And so this webcam is right next to the Hampton Avenue Bridge where the UP often parks power. And so this morning I got up and was going through the rewind of the camera and noticed that, hey, there's a Norfolk Southern 4004 DC-to-AC conversion unit. Well, it looks like it's leading a westbound. And so got my camera, got my truck, and we are going to try and catch this unit. So I hope you enjoy this catch of a NS 4004 leading a westbound out of Butler Yard. And thanks to the Tavern League of Rail Fans for providing the camera. Super cool, super useful. Have a good day. Rugby Junction signing off.